Hello everyone, I'm Yun, a brand manager at AnkerMake. Welcome to our first behind-the-scenes vlog. Today I'm gonna ask our innovators, what is your favorite make of 2023? Let's find out.
哎呀，我想不到啊。
没事。
就是2023年，我把整个 Mercurial 平台规划上线，尤其是在预研的过程中，然后做了一个类似这样的东西，就是把自己的脸弄进去啊，然后把它打印出来，然后我经常就把它放在自己的桌子上，希望后面这个东西能上线。没有。
My favorite print of this year. Well, I had to learn how to do 3D printing. I've always been kind of interested and fascinated, but I thought I could just dive straight in and print anything I wanted, and it wasn't. I had to learn all about supports, like have a bit of patience because I'm really impatient, so I was kind of trying to print really fast all the time. And slowly I kind of practiced with benches. I did a few like Super Mario models. I'm into gaming, so those models I was trying to do all the time. And then my favorite ones, I learned how to change filament really quickly, different colors, experimenting with the materials. And so I ended up doing this mask, this zombie Halloween candy bowl that when you push the head down, the candy comes out through the mouth. So those were super fun. Like I really enjoyed printing those.
哦，会有的。你在录了吗？就是在 Discord 社群里面有一个用户，是我们 SPM 的同事说，就是我们那个 AnkerMake 里面的模型，那只模型是我做的，然后那个用户就说他是个传奇，当时就感觉很幸福，就是被人吹捧的感觉。
We were at the trade show IFA in September this year, and we had the AnkerMake M5 next to the color engine, to the V6 for the first time, and you really saw how the people reacted to those two products. They were amazed. They saw that something is developing here, and I really like what we can develop. For example, this year is my absolutely popular print. I really like it. It's the skyline of New York. You can see all the details the printer just printed. For example, even the frame, right? So it was just one print and I could create New York and travel to my favorite city every day because now I have New York at my home. That's all I hope for all of us, that we never lose our inner child.
Now it's your time. Share your favorite make of 2023 in the comments, and happy Thanksgiving.